Last year on November 24, the heavily mutated Omicron variant was first reported to WHO from South Africa samples. Soon after it turned out that, among all variants of concern, the Omicron has become the dominant coronavirus spreading rapidly across the globe. Omicron has several sub-lineages including BA.1, BA.1.1, BA.2, and BA.3. At present, BA.2 subvariant accounts for nearly 90% of all coronavirus specimens. On April 2, the World Health Organization warned about a newly discovered XE Omicron variant that was first identified in England in mid-January. Since then, over 630 confirmed cases of XE have been reported. Note that X refers to BA1 and E refers to BA2. Therefore, the XE variant contains a combination of genetic material from both BA1 and BA2. In other words, XE is a recombinant strain, a mutant hybrid of BA1 and BA2 sub-lineages of the Omicron. Recombination is an important source of viruses' evolution and genetic diversity. Recombinant viruses develop either naturally or by using genetic engineering. Natural recombination is very common in coronaviruses. It happens when at least two distinct virus strains co-infect the same host cell and exchange genetic material. This is BA1 or the original Omicron variant. And this one is BA2 or the highly transmissible subvariant of Omicron variant. As BA1 and BA2 co-infect respiratory cells, their genomes are exposed for replication and producing more viral particles. This allows them to exchange and rearrange genetic segments, and therefore the new XE recombinant is created. As you see, recombination is a kind of non-sexual reproduction. To the best of our knowledge, XE has a growth rate nearly 10% above that of BA2 and probably is the most transmissible COVID-19 strain. Although XE seems to be more contagious, there is no need to push the panic button for two reasons. First, because recombinant strains are very common, happen over and over, and usually disappear on their own. In fact, many other Omicron strains including XA, XB, XC, and XD have already identified, and none of them turned out to be a real concern. That's the reason why this new COVID variant is called XE. Second is that more transmissibility doesn't necessarily mean this recombinant is more severe. At least for the time being, there is no evidence to confirm that XE can escape the immunity from vaccines, cause more severe disease, or is more fatal than previous COVID-19 variants. Thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in getting the latest information on COVID-19, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified when new videos are released. Good luck.